said goodbye to 2018 and hello to 2019, but I couldn't go ahead without one last look back. Hey, what's up guys? I got the phone call to go back to work. Life and work have taken me a lot of places this year. Pennsylvania and West Virginia. I've drove through Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Oh, and Kentucky one time to get to and from those jobs. I've flew to Montana and Oklahoma for friends and family's weddings. I've had more breakdowns than I care to admit, and I've racked up many more hours on the right-of-way. fueled by coffee and diesel, 8 months of work, 4 months at the house, 4 weld tests, busted one of those tests, 6 temporary homes, 150 YouTube videos, countless new friends, and many memories made. So long, 2018. Here's to 2019 being our best year yet. If you are new or haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel before you go. I put out a new video every week with tips and tricks for rig welders and about conquering the traveling lifestyle. May you keep your priorities in line no matter what. Work hard and learn something every day this year. See you next Friday. Thanks for watching.